So I'm going to show you in this video how you can take this image and make the guy look really young, really old, and bald. Go to Filter, Neural Filters. And this is in the beta filter. So you've got to click on this little flask, toggle on Smart Portrait. And there are a ton of features in here to cover. But the one I'm covering in this one is facial age and hair thickness. So let's say we want to make the person really young. All we do is toggle it on, and actually you don't even have to toggle it on. As soon as you drag the slider, it will auto toggle on. It needs to process in the cloud, and that might take a bit depending on your internet connection. Look at that. So it kind of cleaned up the stubble around the neck. It kind of made the fuzz here a little more young looking, and made the hair thicker, and it just made the face look younger. Now, what happens if I were to take it the other way? Make it as old as possible. Again, it's going to process in the cloud. Did a really decent job. I mean, that looks like the same guy, but just with 30 years added on him. And again, that's because I drug it all the way to the max. But I can tell this poor guy by experience, you don't get to keep that cool hair when you get old. You lose your hair too. So let's take that hair thickness down to -50. And unfortunately, this is going to be his life most probably. And wait till you see the other videos where I cover the happiness, surprise, and anger, and changing a person's gaze. So cool. And just click OK to lock it down. If you like this video, make sure you whack it, smack it, and crack-a-lack it. Yes! Hey, what are you still doing here? It's over. Actually, all kidding aside, I hope this video helped. And if it did, consider subscribing. I like subscribers.
That's awesome. What? You just took one in the jugular, man. Whoa. Yes! Oh my God, I did. This is...
Hey, you stayed to the end. You know what that means? You're awesome. I'm talking about you. Now get out of here.